Hello! Today we color alphabet K and K for kite. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. Capital K is ocean blue in color. Small k is red in color. Red. Yellow. Blue. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.